Hello everyone. In the name of saya S. Yeshua HaMashiach. Welcome to Small Talk to ESL YouTube channel. American English for Indonesian ESL. Oke, selamat datang di Small Talk to ESL YouTube channel. Bersama saya Saudi Sak Simanjuntak. Topik kita kali ini English verb tenses. Past simple and past continuous tense. Yang menjelaskan tentang signal words, usage, and timeline. Okay, let's get started. Verb tenses. Verb tenses expresses the time. Verb tenses expresses the time of an event or action. Time and how it is expressed in writing are very important to English readers. Kata kerja tenses mengekspresikan waktu, suatu peristiwa atau tindakan. Waktu dan bagaimana hal itu diekspresikan secara tertulis sangat penting bagi pembaca bahasa Inggris. A. Past simple tense. Structure: subject plus verb to plus object or complement. Definition atau pengertian: the form of a verb used to describe an action that happened before the present time and it's no longer happening. It's usually made by adding ed, regular verb. Bentuk kata kerja yang digunakan untuk menggambarkan suatu tindakan yang terjadi sebelum waktu sekarang dan tidak lagi terjadi. Biasanya dibentuk dengan menambahkan ed dalam bentuk kata kerja beraturan atau regular verb. Past simple tense. Structure dalam bentuk positif: subject plus verb to plus object or complement. Structure dalam bentuk negatif: subject plus did, not plus verb one plus object or complement. Structure dalam bentuk interrogatif: did plus subject plus verb one plus object or complement. Using subject plus auxiliary. Subject dalam bentuk singular atau plural, tunggal atau jamak. Kata kerjanya verb berakhiran ed, yaitu bentuk regular verb. Sedangkan subject singular atau plural, yaitu dalam bentuk verb 2, irregular verb, kata kerja yang tidak beraturan. Usage atau penggunaan: 1. Action finished in the past. Tindakan selesai di masa lampau. Let us take a look. For the example, I visited Berlin last week. Saya mengunjungi Berlin minggu lalu. I didn't visit Berlin last week. Saya tidak mengunjungi Berlin minggu lalu. Did you visit Berlin last week? Apakah Anda mengunjungi Berlin minggu lalu? The past simple usage. 2. Series of completed action in the past. Serangkaian tindakan yang telah selesai di masa lalu. Let's take a look the example. First, I got up. Then I had breakfast. The meaning artinya pertama saya bangun lalu saya sarapan. I finished work, walk to the beach and found a nice place to swim. Saya selesai bekerja, berjalan ke pantai dan menemukan tempat yang bagus untuk berenang. He arrived from the airport at 8 o'clock, checked into the hotel at 9 o'clock, and made the others and met the others at 10 o'clock. Dia tiba dari bandara pada pukul 8, check in ke hotel pada pukul 9 dan bertemu yang lainnya pada pukul 10. The past tense usage. Number 3. Together with the past progressive or continuous, the simple past interrupted an action which was in progress in the past. Bersama dengan past progressive atau continuous, simple past menginterupsi tindakan yang sedang berlangsung di masa lalu. Okay, let's take a look. The example. They were playing cards when the telephone rang. Mereka sedang bermain kartu ketika telepon berdering. I was sleeping when you called me. Saya sedang tidur ketika Anda menelpon saya. When I woke up this morning, it was snowing. Ketika saya bangun pagi, ini salju turun. The past tense usage. Number 4. The simple past can be used with a duration which start and stop in the past. A duration is a longer action often indicated by expressions such as for 2 years, for 5 minutes, all day, all year. Simple past dapat digunakan dengan durasi yang dimulai dan berhenti di masa lalu. Durasi adalah tindakan yang lebih lama yang sering ditunjukkan dengan ekspresi seperti selama 2 tahun, selama 5 menit, sepanjang hari, sepanjang tahun. Okay, let's take a look at the examples. I live in Brazil for 2 years. Saya tinggal di Brazil selama 2 tahun. Sonia studied Japanese for 5 years. Sonia belajar bahasa Jepang selama 5 tahun. They sat at the beach all day. Mereka duduk di pantai sepanjang hari. They did not stay at the party the entire time. Mereka tidak di pesta itu terus sepanjang waktu. The past simple. Structure. Subject plus verb to plus object or complement. Signal words. Kata-kata tanda. Yesterday. A month ago. In 2010. Frequency. Often, sometimes, always. Last week, last month, last year, etc. When I was a child. 6 weeks ago. The other day. Ages ago. A long time ago. Timelines atau garis waktu. Okay, let's take a look the picture. Use the simple past when talking about something which started and finished in the past. Gunakan simple past ketika berbicara tentang sesuatu yang dimulai dan selesai di masa lalu. The past simple or simple past. Timelines atau garis waktu. Okay. Use the simple past to describe a series of action in the past. Gunakan simple past untuk menggambarkan serangkaian tindakan di masa lalu. Okay. The next timeline. Use the simple past, a red color, together with the past progressive, a blue-gray. The action in the simple past interrupted the action in the past progressive, the one which was in progress. Gunakan simple past yang berwarna merah bersama dengan past progressive atau past continuous yang berwarna biru abu-abu. Aksi di past simple menginterupsi aksi di past progressive yang sedang berlangsung. B. Past continuous tense. Structure. Subject plus was or were plus verb ing plus object or complement. Definition atau pengertian. The past continuous describes action or events in a time before now, which began in the past and was still going on when another event occurred. Past continuous menggambarkan tindakan atau peristiwa pada waktu sebelum sekarang yang dimulai di masa lalu dan masih berlangsung ketika peristiwa lain terjadi. Past continuous or past progressive. Note, in the simple past, a specific time is used to show when an action began or finished. In the past continuous, a specific time only interrupt the action. Di masa lalu, bentuk simple past atau past tense yang sederhana, waktu tertentu digunakan untuk menunjukkan kapan suatu tindakan itu dimulai atau selesai. Sedangkan di past continuous, waktu tertentu hanya menyela atau menginterupsi tindakan. Structure: positif, subject plus was or were plus verb ing plus object or complement. Negatif, subject plus was or were plus not plus verb ing plus object or complement. Interrogative, was, were plus subject plus verb ing plus object or complement. Using subject plus auxiliary. She, he, it or a singular. Third person using was, menggunakan was. Sedangkan they, we, you, I menggunakan use were. Past continuous usage atau penggunaan. 1. It is used to describe an action in progress, happening at a specific time in the past. The action had already started at this time but had not finished. Jadi past continuous digunakan untuk menggambarkan suatu tindakan yang sedang berlangsung yang terjadi pada waktu tertentu di masa lalu. Aksi sudah dimulai saat ini tapi belum selesai. Okay, let's take a look the example of past continuous. Peter was reading a book yesterday evening. Peter sedang membaca buku kemarin malam. I was cooking dinner at 7 p.m. last night. Saya sedang memasak makan malam pada jam 7 malam tadi malam. What were you doing this time yesterday? Apa yang kamu lakukan saat waktu sekarang kemarin? Past continuous usage. Number 2, two actions were happening at the same time. The actions do not influence each other. Dua tindakan yang terjadi pada saat yang sama, tindakan ini tidak mempengaruhi satu sama lain. Okay, the examples. Annie was writing a letter while Steve was reading the New York Times. Annie sedang menulis surat sementara Steve sedang membaca New York Times atau surat kabar New York Times. Okay. I was studying while he was making dinner. Saya belajar sementara dia membuat makan malam. While Ellen was reading, Tim was watching television. Sementara Ellen membaca, Tim sedang menonton televisi. Past continuous usage. Number 3, it is used together with simple past. Digunakan bersama dengan simple past. Okay. While we were sitting at the breakfast table, the telephone rang. Sementara kami duduk di meja sarapan, telepon berdering. I was talking on the phone when my sister arrived. Saya berbicara di telepon ketika saudara perempuan saya tiba. He was drinking beer when he suddenly fell sick. Dia minum bir ketika dia tiba-tiba merasa sakit. She took a photo as we were getting out of the bus. Dia mengambil foto saat kami keluar dari bus. We were waiting for the bus when he saw a car accident. Kami sedang menunggu bus ketika kami melihat kecelakaan mobil. Past continuous usage. Number 4, repeated actions irritating the speaker with always, constantly, forever. Tindakan berulang yang menjengkelkan pembicara. Always, selalu, constantly, terus-menerus, forever, selamanya. Okay? Andrew was always coming late. I don't like that. Andrew selalu datang terlambat. Saya tidak suka itu. Her mother was constantly checking up on her. Ibunya terus-menerus memeriksanya. Why were you continually criticizing me? Mengapa Anda terus-menerus mengkritik saya? Additional points, past continuous. Some verbs are not normally used with past continuous because they are not action verbs. For example, believe, belong, depend, hate, now, like, love, mean, need, prefer, realize, suppose, want, understand. Beberapa kata kerja biasanya tidak digunakan dengan past continuous karena mereka bukan statif atau kata kerja tindakan. Misalnya meyakini, believe, belong memiliki, depend tergantung, hate membenci, know mengetahui, like suka, love cinta, mean maksud, need membutuhkan, prefer lebih suka, realize menyadari, suppose mengira, want ingin, understand mengerti. Okay, let's take a look. The example. They knew each other very well. Correct. Mereka saling mengenal satu sama lain dengan sangat baik. Benar. They were knowing each other very well. Incorrect. Mereka saling mengenal dengan sangat baik. Salah. Jadi penggunaannya harus menggunakan past tense, bukan past continuous. The past continuous. Structure atau struktur, subject plus was or were plus verb ing plus object or complement. Signal word, kata-kata tanda. While is used past progressive. Jadi while biasanya digunakan untuk past progressive, and when digunakan untuk past simple. Atau this time yesterday. Okay? While we were watching TV, Andy was surfing the internet. The ladies were talking when the accident happened. I was watching TV by this time yesterday. Using subject plus auxiliary. She, he, it, use was. They, we, I, you, use were. Jadi she, he, it menggunakan was, dan they, we, I, you menggunakan were. The past continuous. Timeline, garis waktu. Oke. Anda bisa saksikan pada layar Anda. Use the past progressive when talking about something which was happening around a period of time in the past. Gunakan past progressive atau past continuous ketika berbicara tentang sesuatu yang terjadi di sekitar periode waktu di masa lalu. Okay, next. Use the past progressive blue together with the simple past pink. The past progressive used for the action in the past which was in progress when a new action or simple past happened. Gunakan past progressive yang berwarna biru bersama dengan simple past merah muda. Past progressive digunakan untuk tindakan di masa lalu yang sedang berlangsung ketika tindakan baru simple past terjadi. The past continuous. Timeline atau garis waktu. Okay, look at the picture on your screen. Lihat gambar pada layar Anda. Two actions which were in progress in the past do not influence each other. Dua tindakan yang sedang berlangsung di masa lalu, tidak saling mempengaruhi. Okay, this all of past simple and present continuous. If you enjoy and this video is useful to you, please support this channel with subscribe and activate the notification bell. And don't forget, click like button and share to your relative, your friends, and then comment if you wanna comment to this video about past simple and present continuous tense. So I mean past simple and past continuous tense. Okay? Thanks for watching. Stay blessed and see you next video. Bye bye.